to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and as promised, I'm back with the latest from the world of Bollywood social media and entertainment. So sit back, relax and find out what are our celebrities up to. Finally सामने आई राणा डग्गुबाती और मिहिका बजाज की वेडिंग डेट. अनन्या पांडे के अकॉर्डिंग कौन है बॉलीवुड की गॉसिप गर्ल्स? क्या रणवीर सिंह और अर्जुन कपूर एक साथ काम करने की अपने फैंस की विश को करेंगे फुलफिल? लॉकडाउन में भी अपनी फिटनेस रेजीम को डेडिकेशन के साथ फॉलो कर रहे हैं वरुण धवन. The tall, dark and handsome Rana Daggubati and the very stunning Mihika Bajaj are all set to tie the knot on August 8th. After maintaining a low-profile relationship while they were dating, they finally made a romantic announcement that they were getting married. And the couple announced कि Mihika Bajaj की डोली August 8th को सजने वाली है. And with the lockdown ending, they may be able to plan a grand celebration they had in mind. Congrats guys, we are very happy to get this good news in these otherwise stressful times.
Jai Mahesh. Thank you.
Amidst all the stressful news surrounding the pandemic, there was some good news that came our way recently. Rana Daggubati, who made a huge impact in Bahubali franchise, had found his better half for life in Mihika Bajaj, who runs her own event management company and is close to many Bollywood celebrities like Sonam Kapoor Ahuja. The two lovebirds had kept their relationship very private and were rarely spotted together in public. Questioned by the press, Rana always chose not to comment on whom he was dating or what his marriage plans were. Then, out of the blue, a simple social media post answered all the questions. Rana ने सिर्फ एक line लिखी, and she said yes. And the fans went absolutely crazy with joy. The much-in-love couple had a very private Roka ceremony in Hyderabad with just family members present and shared a couple of photos from there where they looked absolutely stunning in their traditional outfits and announced that their forever ever had now begun. While Rana's father had clarified that it wasn't an engagement ceremony and was a ritual among the Telugus to meet the bride's parents before fixing the engagement and wedding dates, it looks like the families have gone ahead and fixed a wedding date. There had been rumors floating around about a possible December wedding, but looks like it's going to be Chat Mangni Pat Vyah for the good-looking couple. Rana's father and film producer Suresh Babu has now confirmed that the two will be getting married on August 8th in Hyderabad. तब तक hopefully lockdown restrictions भी काफी हद तक कम होंगे and hopefully the couple can enjoy the dream wedding they want with their friends and family in attendance. Congrats again Rana and Mihika, and we can't wait to hear all the details that the bride must be planning right now.
गुंडी बाबा तूने मारी एंट्री, दिल में बजी घंटी.
रणवीर सिंह और अर्जुन कपूर की दोस्ती बहुत ही स्पेशल है. They've always had each other's back and share a great camaraderie. Recently, while interacting with his fans, Arjun Kapoor was asked whether he and Ranveer Singh would host a show together, as the fans were dying to see them both together on screen. इस पर अर्जुन कपूर ने क्या कहा? Let's find out. A lot has been written about catfights and ego clashes in Bollywood. and intense rivalries between contemporary actors. But it looks like the new generation of stars are doing things differently and actually making an effort to be friends or at least maintain a cordial relationship even with those who are their direct competitors. Ranveer Singh, who is the uncrowned Mr. Congeniality in Bollywood, is on good terms with almost all his colleagues, whether senior, junior or those in his age group. लेकिन अर्जुन कपूर के साथ उनका अलग ही बॉन्ड है।
गुंडी बाबा तूने मारी एंट्री दिल में बजी घंटी।
The two have been the best of friends for years now, calling each other Baba and indulging in plenty of public displays of friendship, whether it is off screen or on social media.
This is Arjun's cup. He's so obsessed with me. He has me all over his
any level.
He has me all over his coffee mug.
He likes to remind himself बचपन के दिन की struggle जो थी when he drinks coffee he says मैं कहाँ से कहाँ आ गया.
He's such a big fan of mine.
Film screenings ho, events ho या casual dinner, the two create a storm whenever they are seen together. The two have also appeared on a chat show together and worked together in Gunde where they played the best of friends.
लेकिन मुझे आज लग रहा है कि रणवीर ने आपको वकील रखा हुआ है अपना।
रणवीर ने मुझे नहीं मैं I'll defend him for the rest of my life यार मैं उसका दोस्त
अर्जुन हम सबका वकील है।
ये होता है असली यार।
रणवीर जवाब देना चाहेंगे आप?
I love you.
I love you too.
मजे की बात यह है that Arjun Kapoor has even gone on record and called himself Deepika Padukone's Sothan, leaving no doubt in anyone's mind about just how close he and Ranveer are.
आप पहले joint bites देते हैं, आ जाओ.
Though their careers have taken different paths, Arjun और Ranveer Bollywood के Karan Arjun बन गए हैं, an inseparable जोड़ी of two stars who always have each other's back.
The most beautiful, the most exotic Indian I've ever seen. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. मतलब क्या करूँ?
बाबा थोड़ा पोज बनाओ ना बाबा।
Baba, do the exotic pose.
Exotic बाबा exotic।
Recently, while interacting with his fans on social media, Arjun Kapoor से एक fan ने पूछा if he and Ranveer Singh could host a show together. Both their fans have been waiting to see their fabulous chemistry again. And while a movie would be ideal, a show is also good enough.
Yasmin asks, do you know any words in Arabic, Baba?
Habibi,
Yalla,
Habibi,
Yalla,
Habibi.
Khalas. Is it also in Arabic?
He has a lot of friends in the UAE.
Looks like Arjun has given this idea the go-ahead and put the ball in Ranveer Singh's court now with his immediate reply. Why not, Ranveer Singh? तो क्या होगा रणवीर का response? And will the two best buddies get together at least online for now to give their fans the interaction and banter between the two that they have been missing for so long? We can't wait to find out.
Baba, I love you.
I love you too.
Ananya Pandey may just be a couple of films old, but even she agrees that when it comes to Andar Ki Khabre of Bollywood, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Karan Johar and Ranbir Kapoor are the gossip ki Trimurti. Ananya Pandey, whose film Khali Pili is all set for an online release on an OTT platform, was speaking to an entertainment portal, where she also spoke about life in lockdown and her future projects as well. Ananya Pandey is only a couple of films old, but the young star has made people sit up and take notice of her charming screen presence and fresh-faced innocence. After her last release, Pati Patni Aur Wo, the Student of the Year 2 star was all set to be on screen again opposite Ishan Khattar in Khali Pili. But with the pandemic and the lockdown that followed, Ananya's film's release date got pushed ahead, and we now hear that it may release directly on an OTT platform. Ananya has also become the first Bollywood actor to actually become a brand ambassador for a denim brand during the lockdown. Ananya has shared pictures on social media that were taken at home for a brand of women's wear that she has been chosen to endorse. Keeping the lockdown in mind, the brand and Ananya collaborated to take casual pictures of the actor at home to match their casual vibe. While speaking to an entertainment portal from home, the actor answered some light-hearted questions in a rapid-fire round, spilling the beans about her friends and competitors from the industry. When asked about what advice she would give women who want to date her co-actors Tiger Shroff, Kartik Aaryan and Ishan Khattar, Ananya responded that she would ask the girl dating Tiger to be prepared to eat a lot over the weekend. Be ready for Kartik's Hazir Jawabi and drink up energy drinks to keep up with Ishan's energy levels. Given a choice between Tiger and Kartik as a possible date, Ananya ने चूज किया Tiger को क्योंकि उन दोनों की कई दिनों से बात नहीं हुई है. And in her own words, she misses him. But what we found most interesting was her pick of people to play characters from an Indian adaptation of the American TV show Gossip Girls. Ananya said, I think Kareena Kapoor Khan, Karan Johar and Ranbir Kapoor. That's what people say, right? That they know everything. So I think these three can be like the Gossip Girls. She also chose SRK and Kajol for an Indian adaptation of The Notebook and Janhvi and Kartik Aaryan with a beard to play Beauty and the Beast. Ananya has Shakun Batra's next film and the highly anticipated Fighter with Vijay Deverakonda lined up this year. And here's hoping these films can release in theatres as the lockdown restrictions slowly lift. प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है आज की स्पेशल स्टोरी देखने का.
Wajid Khan, a music composer who was a part of Sajid Wajid music director duo, is no more. और अब sources के मुताबिक the late musician's mother Razina has also tested positive for coronavirus. She has now been taken to Surana Sethia Hospital situated in Mumbai. This is the same hospital where Wajid Khan was admitted hours before his demise. This is indeed a shocking piece of news for all the well-wishers and closed ones of the late musician's family. And as of now, everyone is praying for her so that she gets well soon. Meanwhile, there was an outpouring of grief from actors, producers, directors, and Wajid's colleagues from the music industry who all remember him as a wonderful human being with a kind heart.
My brother, my very good friend and amazing musician, Wajid Bhai, is no more. He's left us. I'm going to miss you, Wajid Bhai. And here's praying for your onward journey. And may your soul rest in peace.
मन मान ही नहीं रहा है कि अब वो हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे. The entire music industry is in shock. ये हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत ही दुखद दिन है. मुझे याद है जब भी मैं उन्हें मिलती थी वो बहुत ही प्यार से मिलते थे. हमेशा उन्हें मुस्कुराते हुए देखा है. और बहुत ही पॉजिटिव नेचर था. सबसे बहुत ही रिस्पेक्ट से और बहुत ही अदब से वो बात करते थे. और बहुत अच्छी मेमोरीज़ हैं उनके साथ. मुझे याद है बहुत सारे हमने कॉन्सर्ट्स इकट्ठे किए हैं, इकट्ठे परफॉर्म किया है. तो आज वो सारी यादें एक फ्लैश की तरह आंखों के सामने आ रही है और उनका मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा सामने आ रहा है.
उनके लिए मैं इतना ही बोलूँगा कि ही वॉज अ ग्रेट सिंगर, ग्रेट मैन, कंपोजर, राइटर, यारों के यार, भाइयों के भाई. हमेशा अपने भाइयों की तरह मुझे ट्रीट करते थे और मैंने काफ़ी गाने उनके लिए गाए हैं. और मेरे अलावा और बहुत बड़ा म्यूज़िक उन्होंने दिया है. 98 से लेके 2019 तक उन्होंने उन्होंने राज करा है। साजिद वाजिद नंबर 1 जोड़ी, हम सबको पता ही है। मैं चाहता था कि मैं वाजिद भाई को मिलूं, क्योंकि पिछले 6 महीने से ही वाज हॉस्पिटलाइज। उनकी तबीयत सही नहीं थी, दोनों किडनी उनकी फेल हो चुकी थी, इसके कारण वो काफ़ी टाइम से हॉस्पिटल में थे। तो हम एक दूसरे से मैसेज करते थे, मैसेज पे बात करते थे, व्हाट्सएप पे बात करते थे, और हमेशा उनकी वॉइस नोट आना, उनका वॉइस आता था कि यार मेरे लिए दुआ करो, मैं जल्दी ठीक हो जाऊँगा, और फिर मैं आपके साथ आके गाने बनाएंगे, पार्टी करेंगे।
Varun Dhawan, Preeti Zinta, Vishal Dadlani, Salim Merchant and others all offered their condolences to the family and expressed their shock and disbelief at his untimely demise. Salman Khan, who was very close to the composer duo, is especially heartbroken given how closely they had worked over the years. Salman Khan posted on social media, "Wajid will always love, respect, remember and miss you as a person and your talent. Love you and may your beautiful soul rest in peace." Wajid and his brother had composed music for many of Salman Khan's films, including Jai Ho, Ek Tha Tiger, Dabangg 3, Tumko Na Bhool Payenge, Tere Naam, Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, and Partner. Even the song Bhai Bhai that Salman Khan sang recently in lockdown was composed by them. Akshay Kumar has also shared that he is shocked and saddened by the death of a talented composer like Wajid Khan, while Amitabh Bachchan mourned the loss of a bright, smiling talent who has left us too soon. Karan Johar, Anil Kapoor, Arjun Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor and Bhumi Pednekar were amongst the hundreds of those who fondly remembered Wajid Khan for his immense talent and friendly personality. वैसे वाजिद भाई, आपकी कमी संगीत और संगीत प्रेमियों को हमेशा महसूस होगी. But your art and the gift of music you have left behind for us will make sure you live on forever.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. Kajol is in lockdown in Mumbai with her family, but looks like the super talented star is enjoying the clean air and the lack of pollution lesser cars in Mumbai have brought about. She shared a monochrome picture of herself on her social media account where she's standing in her balcony wearing sunglasses and looking at a distance. She seems to be enjoying the clean air but also looking towards an unpredictable future. Kajol was the reigning star in the 90s and early 2000s when she married Ajay Devgan and reduced her professional commitments to just one film a year. And then one film every couple of years as she shifted focus to her family and kids. But even today, whenever we see her on screen, it's just pure magic. Kajol has also become very active on social media over the years, and her fans love her candid, relatable posts and the obvious warmth and love she shares with her kids and husband Ajay Devgan.
हम अक्सर कहते हैं काश हमारे पास वक्त होता हमारे बच्चों के साथ बैठने का, हमारे माँ बाप के साथ बैठने का, और हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि काश ये होता. I wish I had the time and there was nothing else for us to do. काश हमारे पास कुछ नहीं होता करने के लिए. अब हमारे पास ये वक्त है और वजह भी है. तो गाइज प्लीज़ डोंट गो आउट ऑफ योर हाउस टुमारो. जैसे आपने कहा है, जैसे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा है, हमारे देश के लिए, अपने माँ बाप के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, सबके लिए प्लीज़ घर के अंदर रहिए और जितना हो सके अपने हाथ साबुन से धोइए, हैंड सैनिटाइजर यूज़ कीजिए और that's it.
धन्यवाद.
Currently in lockdown with her family in Mumbai, Kajol shared a post on her social media page where she is standing in her balcony in a monochrome photograph and looking a bit seriously into the distance. after her light-hearted upside down selfie, इस बार काजोल ने कुछ serious post किया है. And she captioned it, looking at the future which isn't so far away really, but seems like a lifetime. Hashtag breathe clean, hashtag non-polluted. शायद काजोल पॉइंट आउट करना चाहती थी कि किस तरह लॉकडाउन की वजह से people especially in Mumbai are enjoying much cleaner air. Almost no traffic has meant almost no noise pollution as well. और कई लोगों ने शेयर किया that they are hearing the noises of birds and animals clearly for the first time. While most of us are waiting for the lockdown to end, हम सब भी काजोल की तरह इस reduced pollution और साफ रास्तों को मिस करने वाले हैं. While Kajol has not announced any projects after her role in Tanhaji, we hope that post-lockdown we get some good news about her next film. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our social media handle and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now. But you stay tuned to Zoom and keep watching Planet Bollywood.